Hello my friends. Today I will show you a product I bought from Gearbest. It's the coolest website ever. It's silicone case for my phone. We have the product over here. But before I start, don't forget to visit their website. I leave the link on the description. So, we have transparent silicone case for Xiaomi Redmi Note 4. The price is around $2.5 include the shipping. We have 3 down slots. 1 for USB port and 2 for external speakers. So it's small review. And don't forget Gearbest is the best.